एब्स और सिक्स पैक बनाने की बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज। नमस्ते दोस्तों, यशिल्का इज बैक विद अनदर वर्कआउट वीडियो। आज हम बात करेंगे उन एक्सरसाइज के बारे में जो आपको एब्स और सिक्स पैक बनाने में मदद करेंगी। Seriously guys, who doesn't want ripped abs? Like, imagine chilling on the beach with a killer six pack. Goals, right? But you know what? Getting those abs doesn't have to be torture. It's all about consistency, the right exercises, and maybe a little bit of that dark egg jeet high attitude. So are you ready to get those abs popping? Let's do this. Alright guys, let's start with the OG ab exercise, crunches. Now I know what you're thinking, crunches? Seriously, but trust me, they're classics for a reason. Lie down flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Now imagine you're trying to touch your knees with your forehead, but like in slow motion. And remember, it's not about speed, it's about feeling that burn in your abs. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise and don't forget to breathe. We'll start with 3 sets of 15 reps. You got this. You. Next up, we have the plank. This one looks deceptively simple, but trust me, it's a whole body workout disguised as a chill pose. Start in a push-up position, but instead of lowering down, hold it right there. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold it. We're aiming for 30 seconds, but if you can hold it longer, go for it. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold it, but how strong you are throughout. Alright guys, time to take it up a notch with leg raises. Lie down flat on your back, hands by your sides, palms facing down. Now keeping your legs straight, raise them up towards the ceiling until they're perpendicular to the floor. Lower them back down slowly and with control. The key here is to keep your core engaged throughout the movement and avoid arching your back. Let's aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. You can do it. Ready for some fun? Let's do bicycle crunches. This exercise targets both your abs and obliques for that extra definition. Lie down with your lower back pressed to the floor, knees bent, and hands behind your head. Now, bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Alternate sides, like you're pedaling a bicycle. Remember, it's not about speed, but controlled movements and engaging those core muscles. We'll do 3 sets of 15 reps on each side. Let's go. Last but not least, we have mountain climbers. This exercise is a killer cardio workout that also targets your abs and core. Start in a high plank position, with your core engaged and body in a straight line. Now bring your right knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs, bringing your left knee forward. Keep alternating legs, like you're running in place, but with your hands on the ground. We'll do this for 1 minute, but feel free to go longer if you're feeling up to the challenge. तो दोस्तों, ये थी कुछ एक्सरसाइज जो आपको एब्स और सिक्स पैक बनाने में मदद करेंगी. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these exercises into your workout routine at least 3 to 4 times a week. And don't forget to eat a healthy diet and stay hydrated. Getting those killer abs takes effort, but trust me, it's totally worth it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome workout videos. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.